You searched how to buy shares of Linkhome Holdings Inc., and this video shows the basic steps to find and purchase that stock. Linkhome Holdings Inc. operates in the smart home devices and connectivity sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LHAI. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LHAI to locate Linkhome Holdings Inc. Choose the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to ensure it is the correct company. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Linkhome Holdings Inc. Verify the profile and market data so you are sure you have selected the right stock. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will execute when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and manage settings. If you want to follow this walkthrough, the eToro link is available in the description.